Welcome to Kryptonite. My name is Ife, and today I am going to teach you how to trade Bitcoin and altcoins using a crypto leverage trading exchange. I am going to assume that you know how to trade. Trading can be very profitable and also it can be very risky. You can make a lot of money when trading and you can lose a lot of money when trading also. That's if you don't know what you are doing. In this video, I am going to be using Bybit, one of the best leverage trading exchange out there, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use it. First of all, you would have to register. When you've registered, this is how your dashboard is going to look like, and you can see so many options here, but don't be alarmed. I'm going to walk you through. Now this right here is your chart, your price chart of the asset you're looking at, and right now this is your Bitcoin price chart in 30 minutes interval. The reason why I use Bybit is because it has sufficient liquidity. You can take a look at this order book, a lot of orders right here, sufficient liquidity in the market, and this is a very good exchange because it doesn't really have system overload unlike other exchanges. You can submit your orders in real time and it will execute them just like that. I want to place an order right now. You can either place your order using limits order, market order, or conditional orders. What I use really is limits and market orders. Limit order, you can actually set the price, as in the price you would like to order. I can say, okay, I want to order at e.t.c and I want to order 1000 USD contracts. I click on buy if I want to long. I click on sell if I want to short. That's for limit order. Why for market order now? You can just put in the quantity you would like to trade, and to trade it on the go, to look for the best available pricing. I use market order when I'm in a rush. While on the conditional orders, you can see conditional on limit order or conditional on market order. This is a conditional input whereby if the price reaches this is your trigger price and this is your order price. I don't really use this a lot. I use limit order a lot. This is better because when you use limit order, you are providing liquidity to the market, so it's better to use limit order. Now let me walk you in on leverage trading. You see, leverage trading is, for instance, you have 1 BTC, that is 1 Bitcoin, and you would like to trade 10 Bitcoin. You need an additional 9 Bitcoin. So in leverage trading, you will be issued that 9 Bitcoin to trade. So your entire position will be 10 Bitcoin. And when you use that, if the market moves 10%, you get 10% profit. Or if the market moves down, you get 10% loss on your trade. That's how leverage trading works, and I'm going to show you a little example right here. Now see, I'm about to execute 10,000 contracts. As you can see, my order value is 1.15 BTC. My available balance is 0.02. Since I'm using leverage trading, you can see that the cost of this trade will be 0.0132 BTC. As you can see, I just have this 0.02 and I want to order a value of 1.15 BTC. Using leverage trading, your cost price reduces due to your increase in leverage. Your order value is the actual price it will cost you. But since you are using leverage, there are different leverages in Bybit. It's either you use cross margin, which is right here, or you choose one of the existing leverages. You can either use 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 50x, 100x. The highest is 100x so far. Let's say you want to use 10x leverage. As you can see, 10x leverage would give you same order price 1.154. Your available balance 0.02. The cost price has increased to 0.1. The disadvantage is the more you increase your leverage, the more your liquidation price move up. That means your liquidation price would be closer to your order price. What I'm trying to say is your liquidation price is the price at which your order would be terminated, and you will lose that trade once your order is terminated. So what I'm trying to say is, let's say I'm trying to long 1000 contracts on Bybit using 10x leverage. So as you can see, my available balance is 0.02. My cost price is just 0.01. So I can execute this trade. As you can see, this is my order price at 8659 USD. This is the order value, which is 0.115. My cost price is just 0.011. Now take a look at my estimated liquidation price at 7908. This is below the price, right? At 10x leverage. So let me try this for 25x leverage. This is 25x leverage. The cost price has reduced, as you can see. Now let me try long the Bitcoin price. So this is it. The liquidation price is now at 8366. At 10x leverage it was 7908, while at 25x leverage is at 8366. You see, closer to your order price. Okay, let me try 50x leverage. As you can see, the liquidation price is now much closer to the order price. This is 8531 and the order price is 8659. So you get what I'm saying. The more the leverage, the closer it is to your liquidation price. So when you are making a trade, don't forget to include your stop loss and your take profit. I'm going to show you how to lock in your profit and your stop loss. Your stop loss in the sense that when the price is reaching a particular level that you've set a specific price, your trade is going to be terminated. That means you won't, if you're at a profit, you won't lose money. You would either break even or go with a profit. So in this example, I'm going to try short sell. So let's short Bitcoin now. My order price is at 8659. I want to take profits at 8,000. Alright, so I just input it right there, 8,000. As you can see, my take profit is estimated at 0.0095 and I want to put a stop loss at 8,500. As you can see, this is the money I would lose at 8,500, 0.0021. That's if the trade doesn't go in my favor, then I lose this at this particular price. That's if the trade drops down to this particular price, I lose this amount. So the more quantity you put in to trade, the more risks you are taking. Please trade responsible. If you have any question, please leave your comments in the comment section below. Okay, now you know how to trade using Bybit and you want to start trading. You want to deposit Bitcoin into Bybit or other altcoins into Bybit. So this is how you are going to do it. You're going to click on assets on your dashboard, then it will take you to the list of your assets. In Bybit trading, you can trade Bitcoin, you can trade Ethereum, you can trade EOS, XRP, USDT. To deposit, you would have to go to deposit. To withdraw, you would have to go to withdraw. Now to deposit, click on deposit. This is your wallet address. So to deposit, you just have to copy your wallet address. You can take it to your Luno wallet, you can take it to your Binance wallet, you can take it to any of your wallets. When you go to your wallet, your individual wallet, you would have to send it. And please note that do not deposit any non-BTC assets to the above address. So what I mean is, if you copy a BTC address, please do not send Ethereum to a BTC address. Do not send XRP to a Bitcoin address. That's exactly what they are saying. If you copy a Bitcoin address, please send only Bitcoin to that address. If not, there could be permanent loss of your fund. So that's it. So if you want to send Ethereum, it's the same thing. If you want to send EOS, it's the same thing. XRP is the same approach. So let me just go back to trading. Also, if you would like to trade other assets like Ethereum, XRP, EOS, you would have to go to BTC USD Perpetual and you can trade ETH. This is the same step right here, same everything, same limit, market and conditional orders. And if you want to trade XRP, you can do that right here too. So these are the steps to trade on Bybit. They're really pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and please, I would urge you to do your own research and your due diligence to this Bybit. To me, is actually a good exchange to trade on. So with this said, if you would like to use Bybit to trade and make some money, I have a link in the description. You're going to get a sign-up bonus when you sign up using my link in the description. So with that said, please like the video and subscribe. It really helps me, it really helps the channel grow, and I will really appreciate it if you do. Thank you very much. I will see you guys in the next video. I will teach you how to day trade in the next video. Goodbye.